currently a live game in the Premier League when Newcastle is leading. We're going to go to the Premier League and all the action from the weekend in a bit. But firstly, here he is. It's the referee, the one that the whole of South Africa waits for on a Monday evening. It's the principal.
Yeah, once more, we're going to MC Alger and Orlando Pirates in the CAF match, right, played in Egypt. There's what we call hand on the face. As you know, the instruction says hand on the face, a yellow card must come out. Hope of evidence. We have evidence here that he was hit on the face and then a yellow card was not given. If you look at it there, you will see that so yellow card was supposed to come out. Here's the hand there on the face. Yellow card was supposed to come out, it did not come out. So incorrect decision by the referee Mahmoud Mahmoud. Right, we move over to the same match. We see Chain holding the ball. The law says when the goalkeeper is in control of the ball, he cannot be challenged. Meaning he holds the ball, he bounces it, he tosses it up in the air, he cannot be challenged. Let's see if Chain was challenged while holding the ball. We can see that a goal is scored, but is there an offense committed by the MC Alger? Yes, let's show it to you. Here is the offense. The goalkeeper is being challenged, so therefore, correct decision by the referee to disallow the goal for infringement on the keeper was impeded. So Lana is supposed to take from the referee. Right, we're going to the next one. Serino almost scored the goal, but Asponel would know was in the right position. Asambelike will see Bujana there holding the ball. Who kicked the ball there? It's a marked to Serino. Where is Serino? Is he in an offside or onside position? We're going to draw the line. As you can see, there is offside. And when we draw the line, yes, in no man's land. Big dude, that's the offside list. So now, he received the ball. There's no flag that comes out, I will show you why the flag did not come out. Look at us, stand referee. He's in no man's land, not in line with the second last defender. That's why he got it wrong. So, incorrect decision by the referee not to a flag for offside. This goal could have been allowed an incorrect decision. Let's go to the next one. We see CPC scoring a goal. We told you, when the goalkeeper is in control of the ball, he cannot be challenged. Is this one in control of the ball? Let's go to Asambeni Sobone Pulukwan. We talk of offside. There's no offside because both Makaule and CPC are in an onside position put by Kambala there. Right, let's see when the ball is played there. You see CPC there celebrating a goal. We can show you again that Kambala put these two in an onside position. Then the ball fell or the goalkeeper fumbled there. We'll show it to you. He fumbled. Anyone can challenge for that ball. Therefore, CPC come and say manna from heaven and then beautiful goal. His shield of Shapusta. Right, let's go to the last one. We told you that hand on the face. It's second yellow and it's red. Now here there's hand on the face. Uno pepe wetulana. Let's have a look. There's hand on the face. Second yellow. Let's see what he does there. Masipol, he blew his whistle, took out the yellow card. He even showed that we're giving a yellow card because there's hand on the face. You see hand on the face there on another player. So correct decision by Masipol Bambisa to give a red card in this situation to Shezi there as he goes out. So this decision is what we call a second yellow card for hand on the face, tagging an opponent.
Well, there it is. Those are the decisions. When we come back, Arsenal.